Yes, guy. See this? This is winter. See the car stay up on the ground. Look. See? So winter look here today. Today is Saturday. Alright? Look. It's about 5:30 this now. And look on the weather. Look at the place there. Just look. See it? So the weather look in Canada here today. Snowstorm on the ground. See it? Lot of snow. So I'll show you the tree. How the tree look. So them vehicle and cover with snow. Let's take a good look. Find this tree here. Let's look on this tree how it look. Find this tree. Pierce snow that. Cover it. See it? Look on it. See that? So it look. Find this. The tree this. Awesome. Lot of snow on them vehicle. It's at least 1.5 foot snow right here, so you get me? Lot of snow. And a joke thing today. Right now I'm going to clean out the car and show you how the snow thick. See that? See the shovel? This me I go use now. Clean off car. Awesome. See that? Like this. Lot of snow. See that? Snow like whoa. Me say this video are of the people who live in Canada. I just show it to the Caribbean people. Awesome. Oh, this snow enough. Lot of snow. It Just look. And I get cool now. Look. See it? It's up on the bonnet. You know, I see it properly, but I'll show you how we dig off the snow. See it? It's a ice, you know. The only thing that you know freeze it. Understand? Well, we'll lock off the phone now because we'll clean the windshield, the windscreen. That's fine. So I show you how it's there. Understand? See the shovel there? Yeah. So see you guys later on, okay? Alrighty.